Hey you guys, and what is up? My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all the social media. I feel like I always say that, and I am sorry. Eventually one day I will have maybe like an intro of some sort, so maybe like help me come up with like a cool intro. I don't know, but anyways, I am home. I went to grab some Starbucks. Time for some Starbucks. I'm excited. We got our donuts. Matthew, show the donuts. Well, these are Matthew's donuts. And now we're gonna get Starbucks because we do not get coffee at Dunkin' Donuts. They're just inconsistent, and that's what I don't like. And I have some cereal here that I can snack on. We'll eat. That's gonna be like literally my breakfast, although it's already 11 o'clock. And I'm gonna hang out. I'm gonna have a little Zoom sesh with some of my friends, and we're gonna brainstorm and have all the fun. I do have a notebook here. This is my Erin Condren notebook that I got just a couple days ago with my name. I figured I'll just leave this cover on it for now and just use the notebook itself. So I'm really excited. This is the notebook that I got. I don't know what it's called, but it has like tasks on the side. So I really like this little format because I can write like bullet points and then some notes on the side. So I'm really excited for this. Let me grab a pen so I can jot some notes. This is going to be kind of like just a very casual little meet of just, we want to do like some brainstorming and also just catching up. We talk literally almost daily, but feel like, I don't know if it's been something with like the new year or not even the new year, but just feeling, I've been feeling at least like unmotivated to create like planner content in a sense. So I need to get back on the groove of that. So I don't know if like y'all have any ideas for me, so like definitely let me know if there's something that you would want to see that I can show you all. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and jump on this Zoom meeting, and maybe I can just show you a little glimpse of that, and I will be right back. Hey you guys, okay, so I'm back from the meeting, and that was so good. I wouldn't even, so yeah, technically I guess it is a meeting. Like, it was tons of fun. Just, I love my friends. They're just amazing, and I'll insert a clip here. Say hi to the vlog. Y'all are all quiet.
My bucket list there.
It was just so much fun. I love them so much, and they're all like in, you can say, the realm of content creating, so we all relate in that area. So we all just got a lot of tips and tricks from each other, and just like it's just encouraging to hear what other people see that I may not see for myself. So I think I'm definitely gonna obviously keep pushing. And it's been always like one of my goals that I want to share more of me, and I just want to be more open and more raw, and I feel like I do a pretty good job at just sharing like who I am and what I'm passionate about, and when I do struggle, I'm very transparent about that. But I want to continue doing that, and hopefully you know y'all are enjoying these types of videos, but I definitely want to like take it up a notch. And I love vlogs, so this is something that I want to continue doing. So I don't know, I'm just excited, and like just being encouraged and motivated by people that do actually consume the same content that I do is very motivating. So I'm really excited. It just makes me feel like keep going, keep pushing, keep doing what you're doing. But anyways, I think I'm gonna get ready. Well, actually it's a little early. It is about to be 3 o'clock. We have a movie. I think we're gonna leave here at around 6 o'clock. We have did I tell you all? I think he said it was called, shoot, something onion. Let me look it up. Gosh, I don't know. Glass Onion. It's the Knives Out mystery movie that came out recently, so I'm excited about that. But anyways, I don't know what to wear though, and I think it may be a little on the cooler side. So right now it's 72 and cloudy. 6 o'clock is going to be 67, and it's going to get down, it's going to be like 62 when we get out of there. So it's not going to be like super hot or super cold. So I think I'd be good with like maybe not wear a hoodie to the movies, but be like comfy vibes and just wear something cute. So I don't know, I figured maybe like if I did like my hair and actually wore makeup, whatever I wear will be fine. So maybe we can do like a let's do my makeup together type of situation and go to the movies. So I'm excited. I think we're gonna go to the draft house. The draft house is really fun. I like that they have food. Like not just like popcorn, like actual like food. You can order like a salad, chicken tenders, pizza, like whatever. And it's like not just like cafeteria food. It's like actually like really good food. So I'm excited to go. I'm probably gonna get, shoot, I don't know, maybe like popcorn. I love getting, this is, I don't know, I feel like it's good, so I don't think it'd be weird, but I love getting popcorn with a side of queso, and I just like getting the popcorn and dipping a little bit in the queso because queso is a motherfucking life. I love it so much. Anyways, I don't really have anything else to do right now, so I'm just kind of like, eh. But I feel like I'm all over the place right now, which is fine, but one thing that I actually need to do is decorate my planner. But after the little meeting that I had, I shouldn't even say little because it was very long, which is perfect. I love my friends. Anyways, I need to decorate my planner or like write in it, kind of like prep it for the week. So maybe we can do that together. All right, you guys, well, editing Anabel here, and I just wanted to do a voiceover over this because honestly, y'all see a plan with me all the time, and you can search for plan with me, so I'm just trying to kind of talk you through what I'm doing. I just picked out a ton of stickers from the sticker book and just placed them on the side. I really like how I do that. I've been doing that every single week since I got this planner, and I'm just cutting off the excess stickers, and I think it looked really cute. I did add some washi, and I'll show you all here once it's completed, but I think it looks adorable. It's just a really functional planner, and I'm trying to keep it as is. I'm not trying to over decorate it. So you guys, I got Matthew the, what do they call the AirPods 2 Pro? Is that what they're called?
AirPod Pros.
AirPod Pros. And it's like the newest one, so I think it's the
second gen, I think.
The second gen. And they're supposed to be his Christmas gift, but I'm giving it a chance for him to test them out like for a couple days to see how he likes them. And he's kind of giving us a little review. He's saying that he feels like he would have to use more of the Apple Music with them than like Spotify. We're Spotify users. I feel like just Spotify is easier to use and like easier to make playlists and easier to find songs than like Apple Music. Oh, yeah. It's a lot more user friendly, although like Apple is known for user friendliness, but
Apple's almost too simple with their stuff. I kind of like the way Spotify's layout and stuff is.
Yeah, yeah, I agree with that. But he's saying that he thinks he's gonna have to use more of the Apple Music with the
spatial audio,
because of the spatial audio.
Well,
whatever that means.
Here's the main issue.
What does that mean? Spatial audio.
It's just basically tuned for the headphones, because the headphones have this really dumb thing, and I'm actually quite finding it annoying, that their noise cancellation is not active noise cancellation. It is, in other words, it's not a firm enough fit where you can't hear anything. You know how when you put in like the old school noise cancellation headphones, you could literally plug them in and not hear anything?
Yeah.
It's not like that. You can still hear everything around you almost as much as you would a normal set of AirPods.
With the Spotify?
No, with either or. But here's what happens is when you use the noise cancellation with the Apple spatial audio,
yeah, it
kind of removes that. It removes its own. So what you have to listen to it, because it's like there's a microphone in there, and even with noise cancellation with the microphone, it tries to basically play white noise.
That's what the
what your big
Pro Max do. Yeah.
However, the Pro Max have a lot better seal than
because they're
over the ear.
The ear, yeah.
These you can basically hear almost anything.
Got it.
And so, because it's got that white noise, what happens is it still slightly picks up certain things in the background. Like I'll be like I had the TV on, and like you would hear like the announcer say touchdown really loud, and you could hear it. And that sucks.
Yeah.
For a $250 pair of headphones.
Yeah.
So I am thinking maybe looking third party and seeing about getting foam tips for them. Because these are plastic, and that's another big downside. Because it's just a thin plastic.
Wouldn't it be better than if you like say something like the Beats headphones? Because they have like some that are like in ear.
Well, I think the downfall is that they use the plastic. Because it's just a thin plastic. If you get foam, the foam will...
Yeah. But for sure you want to keep them.
Haven't officially decided that.
Okay.
Because
that's why I want him to test them out, because they are $250 headphones, and he's very like...
I am very peculiar
about headphones and just everything in general. So I gave him a chance that, because they're obviously still within the return period, to try them out, kind of see like if he officially likes them or if he wants to like pick a different set of headphones. But let me go ahead and show you all. This is what the spread turned out like. I think it looks good. I feel like the top I'm going to use for Instagram and like social media in general. Well, just Instagram, because next month I'm going to use my monthly section to plan out YouTube videos. And then I'll have like both the social media platforms that I use, and I can just recycle content for like, you know, something like TikTok or something. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and continue chatting with Matthew about these headphones, and then I will bring you along possibly for the movie. If I don't bring y'all for that, I'll probably include it in tomorrow's vlog. But anyways, I will talk to y'all later. Taco Cabana before the movies. Some nachos will be good. Matthew.
Have y'all been here before? Yes. Okay.
I have a weird question.
I'm nervous. Target.
Target run.
I gotta buy some groceries. Well, at least like something. I don't know.
Alcohol.
They don't sell like alcohol here. Beer. Honestly, this is harder than what it looks, but I'm trying to find food that I can have for the week. And it's complicated because I normally don't shop at Target for food, so this is hard. Tabletops. I can have this. Can't find this. 4. Perfect. Okay, so far I got ice cream. Hey guys, so we're back home. Honestly, our Target trip was, I would say, like a success. Like I feel like exactly what I needed, and yeah, it was good. By the way, let me show y'all something that I just got. Well, hold on. Matthew got me this. So we had ordered it a long time ago. I told him I wanted this, and he placed the order for me. Ah, I'm so excited. Look. By the time I get into it, yay! It looks so cute. It's a Stanley mug. How cute is this? Now I have the matching set. It's so cute. Anyways, why are you moving my camera? Because it dropped. That's fine. Okay, anyways, this is... my little tripod keeps dropping. Anyways, this is just the last thing I'm gonna show you all. Matthew got me this, and I'm gonna use it maybe tomorrow. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.